What is conservation of nature? Conservation of nature means the preservation of forest, land, water bodies, and minerals, and to make sure that all these continue to be available in abundance. All natural resources make life worth living on earth. We cannot imagine without air, water, sunlight. Thus, it is essential to conserve these resources in order to retain environment. Types of natural resources. Renewable resources. These are resources which can be renewed. Example, air, water, sunlight. Non-renewable resources. They easily get exhausted. Example, fossil fuels and minerals. Biotic. Living beings and organic material are biotic. Example, plants and animals. Abiotic. Non-living things and non-organic material. Example, air, water, land. How can we conserve nature? We can conserve nature by reducing water consumption, by reducing usage of electricity, restrict usage of paper because paper manufacturing depends on trees. These are some small measures to conserve nature. Nature comprises of everything: the trees, forest, rivers, soil, air, all are part of nature, keeping nature and its resources integral. What is integral? Integral means necessary to make a whole complete. So, it is very important to conserve nature. It would be difficult to imagine life on earth which has a spoiled environment. Only human beings, without their power and ability to save nature in its purest form. Once Wendell Berry states that the earth is what we all have in common. Thus, let us all try to conserve the nature.